My name is Andrea Romano, and you're watching Roddy Gloom Vlogs.
This is us before the shoot.
Hi! Rawr!
Yeah, so I immediately ripped my shirt.
And he ripped his pants.
But we're improvising. We got bobby pins. It's gonna look grunge as fuck. I look cool, right, guys?
No.
The camera nod is great. I think there is a zoom on the top part. It's really like a pushy.
Bro, it pushes one at a time, like you can't hold it. You're like, you're getting closer.
Ta-da.
We fixed it. Now it's punk.
Choo.
Now you gotta do the other side. Just kidding.
Oh.
Yeah, rip the other side now. Try and stretch it again, and if it breaks, it breaks. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Intentional.
Oh, this one's stronger.
You're thinking
He's
about it too much.
He's left-handed. I don't look like a distinguished element anymore. My parents called me queer when I was a teenager.
Oh.
They still call you queer now.
Yeah.
I'm so fucking cool, bro.
I am cutting you off completely. Oh wait, that's cool. Wait, hold on, wait, that's fucking cool. Could you keep your arm out?
Yeah.
Oh. Stupid. It's recording now.
You want to film it? You want to film me on it? You want to film us on it?
Dude, we need a first voice. Fuck.
Oh.
That fucking hurt it. That shit fucking hurt it. Yay.
We've completely lost the plot.
Heave!
Whoa.
Heave! Aw, damn it. Heave! On to the promised land! Heave with me!
You're not safe.
Guys, if we think about it this way, it's about the journey, not the destination.
It's the friends you made along the way.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Andrea, are you like super excited for your cake?
I'm really tired. I'm super excited.
I also really tired. I need this coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a very silent drive here.
I kind of just like shut down when I'm sleepy.
No, I kind of like kept like trying to like have somewhat conversation because I was like, I'm not sure if we're just tired or if we're pissed at each other.
No. Perfect. Thank you.
Holy
so
shit,
much.
bro!
It's so perfect. Thank you.
Bro, look at this queen over here.
Oh, I wasn't talking about.
She in heels carrying her own cake. I'm doing jack shit, recording her doing it. That's the Daddy Hill.
Okay.
I don't know where people are. Okay, cool. It's inverted. I don't know how the controls work. Okay, you're over there. This is so swag, bro. I really like this Charizard, dude.
Paintings that we put into the cards. So like these are original paintings right here. I actually did the whole first gen as a show, so all these is just part of the original 150
Is this muck?
muck.
No way, did you find a tiny door? Girl, no fucking way.
They
Okay.
do tiny doors at Atlanta, so they have tiny doors like around the city.
Yeah, so it... footage left on this thing. During this portion, I should add like the sound effects that's just going... Yo, this is cute as fuck.
Really? Let me take a pic.
Girl. Guys, I'm a pro. I figured out how to use the camera.
Good job, buddy. Oh my god. Upside down, it looks like it says Zelda.
Wait. Bro, you two standing right next to each other is like Shark Boy and Lava Girl. Oh my god.
Dude, that's beautiful.
This is beautiful. God damn, there's some detail in the piping.
I wish I had a birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andrea.
Yeah.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Oh, oh, it was? Okay, never mind. I'm sorry, guys. I'll never do it again.
Where's the plates?
Oh man, we should have got her zoo pals.
Oh my god.
Oink, zoo
Do you guys have
pals.
a cake cutter, or you just want me to wing it?
Oh, I can.
Yeah, just to like pick it up and put on the plate. So
Oh, wait. Wait. So what if I told you I did? Wait! Look, I found. All by myself.
Well, I don't know how to tell you this.
Oh.
Yeah, we
I
kind
need
of
to break it. That was good.
Small forks for desserts.
Go away.
Big forks are for entrees.
You don't want to ruin anything like that.
No. Hey.
Bye.
Bye. Andrea's leaving us. Please come back. I'm gonna wait for you until you get back. I'm just gonna be at the front door pissing myself waiting for you to come back.
Gross.
We're gonna miss you.
I miss you guys too.
Bye, I love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.